Welcome folks, welcome gents, back to a brand new video. This week, I wanted to show you guys where I keep all of my model trains, or most of them at least. So, starting off right here in the living room by the big TV, you can see this is where I keep my HO scale model trains, and a few others. So, let me turn my light on. So you can see that we have James in here, Victor, Toby, and Connor. Connor's here because he doesn't work. So, yeah. They're all kind of broken, except for Victor, but I don't want him broken, so he's just kind of here. So, yeah. Then we have all of the HO scale engines that you have seen before. Normally right here would be my BNSF diesel, and right here would be my HO scale steamer, but those are currently on the layout. So, yeah, this is how they are, all day, every day. So, yeah. Now, you can see I have that water tower in here. There's a tree, and you can't really see it, but there's also a steam traction engine over there. Down here we have Connor's coach. We have one of the Western Maryland tenders, a Union Pacific switcher tender, the breakdown crane, and the big boy tender. Favorite tender right there. Here in my room, we have the Durango and Silverton coaches. We have the Durango and Silverton and its coach. So, right there, we have the Daylight, a 60th anniversary Thomas. Ferdinand, because yes. The Polar Express, we have a few more down here. So, yeah. Here is my cutting board, which I used to use for the thumbnails in my videos. You got two more down there. That one used to hold a puzzle. I don't know why I still have it. So, yeah. And here in the train room, oh my god, it echoes in here. We have the BNSF diesel, which I am going to turn on. We have the HO scale steamer, which is just sitting there. We have the other Western Maryland tender. We have the N scale switcher, the Durango and Silverton for the third or second time, depending on if you count the HO scale coaches. So, yeah. You should go watch the N scale videos. Definitely. Go do that. Probably gonna make another video on them soon. I haven't. Oh my god, it's been months, maybe 7, since I made a video on them last. Oh, jeez. So, yeah. Been a while for those. And during that time, they have just been in their boxes. So, yeah, but they're out again, running. So, yeah. I gotta order more track for them, because I have used all my N-scale straights. So, yeah. I need more couplers for my HO scale rolling stock. Under here you can see all the other stuff's just kind of thrown in there. So, yeah. And right here is an extra power thing, which I have on my table there. And the Freedom caboose. So, yeah. Oh, and right here by the hall closet, we have my G-scale locomotives. So, yeah. You have the 440 American right there, which used to sit over there where James, Victor, Connor, and Toby are. But it has since been moved into here. We have that one. And my mascot engine. This is the face of the channel right here. It's just staying right here. And it's gonna be here, locked in its little void for a few more months probably. So yeah. You have its tender, you have the R engine's tender, you have a caboose, you have its caboose right there. Keep forgetting I have a flashlight on my phone. Here, now you can see them all better. You got a boxcar. It's the king of the closet currently. And you have some track. These are all sitting on track as well. So, yeah. Down here are engines you have never seen before. We have Gordon over there. We have Henry right there. James and Hero. And right here is a ton of take-along engines and rolling stock. Like Ferdinand, again, Porter, Rusty, Molly. You can probably spot some more in there. There is a lot. Let me know if you want to see a video on those guys, because otherwise they are not coming out anytime soon. Maybe the wooden railway engines are, but take along, not a chance. And then over here I have some more stuff for them, as you can see. So, yeah. That is going to do it for this video. Currently I am planning to get some more engines for my N-scale stuff and my HO scale. N-scale could use a bit more rolling stock because this is it right here. Yeah. Needs more track, maybe another engine or two. Thinking about getting a big boy, because you obviously need a big boy for 2 pieces of freight rolling stock. Yes. You need a big boy for 6 pieces of rolling stock. Always. Alright? Because these 2 engines definitely cannot pull that. Yeah, because that's not excessive. So, yeah. That's gonna wrap up for this video. I will see you next Santa Fe Saturday. And peace.